You're adopted. Yeah, you're not mine. You're adopted.
Oh, no, I'm good. You done smacked the shit out of this dude over here.
Gigi, how do you feel about what's happening with the world right now? Okay.
Then why is the neighbor's golden retriever pregnant? I'm not even mad. I just want to know how you did it.
This is my baby, and ain't nobody finna touch him.
Stop.
Maggie, sit.
Woof? Woof, woof, woof? Woof, woof.
I'm sorry to tell you this, but you're, well, adopted.
No!
Oh, I got it! I got it! I got it!
This is crazy to me. Hi. Oh, you were so pretty.
Oh.
Tell him. Let me see. My big teeth are coming in.
Were you jumping on the bed? Yes, you were. My God. You don't get to jump. You don't get to jump on the bed, Missy. Boop. What are you doing?
Bodhi, what are you doing?
You deserve steak, Haley. Have you been a good girl? Do you deserve steak? You don't deserve steak.
I heard a noise, so I came into the kitchen, and I see that Woody's lid is off of his food. Did you do it?
These aren't, no. My goodness! Good morning, Mr. Moon! Lumi! Good boy. Come here! Oh!
God, what is that? Oh my God!
It's okay. It's okay. You just made her a little nervous.
Now, who's remember that little? I can't think of that little
It's okay. Yeah, you're a very, very good, handsome boy. You did everything right. You're okay.